Rajapaksa Sipaswal, hailing from Harare, and Parthiv Patel, the captain, who played so well in the previous match. Owen Morgan, the captain of the Harare Hurricanes, he'll like to get off to a good start. They were looking for a victory. Robert Utapa from India, and of course the big hitting Donovan Pereira and Evan Lewis, who's back in town. First up. What a shot. A little bit fuller from Andre Berger.
And you talked about Winchell length at this man. Gets his hands through the ball, up and over boundary. Oh, this will be 4 wides. Beautiful shot. Forford tried to follow him, and Gomez just clipped it away from boundary. That's being driven out towards mid-wicket, who didn't pick it up. There'll be another boundary. This has got a long way in the air and out the park as well. How he's got it that fine is because he just helped it on his way. This is a big over for Cape Town. Well, there's a chance of a run out. Is a run out.
Gurbaz straight back at the stumps. The problem was Joao was watching the ball and trying to get his ground.
That's better. That's better. He gets all of this and goes over the man who was at deep point for 6. It's a great end to the over. 3 overs gone. Cape Town 38 for 1. Up and over, but I don't think he gets enough of it. Doesn't. Picks out.
This is why I'm saying he's suited to this format, because he's got the slow balls, he's got the variations, and it's the one that he's used there. Richard Nganaba.
Tried to hit it over, long gone, and all he did was pick out Jongwei.
Yeah, he's tried to go early, but it's quick and flat. He hasn't managed to get the trajectory that he wanted.
This one's hit out, and that's a 6. Rajapaksa, well, he's been a bit quiet, but he advances down the wicket there and gets all of that. This has gone big. Has it gone long? Oh dear, another collision almost. But he's gone again, he's gone airborne, and he's picked himself up another boundary. Just line behind square for 4. Oh, it's out. You missed and I hit. Yeah, and that's on the back of not being able to get the spinner away. Wow, how is that for a cricket shot? On the back foot, over cover. This one again, 2 straight from Maposa. And Tom Curran's not going to miss out there. Shot again, he'll push hard. Strong arm from Ferreira out there, he's got a brilliant arm. Good arm, it's a great pickup. There's confirmation. He's on again, but this one's very fortunate. Maramani, you need a bit of luck. This is hit hard by the skipper. He bowls this one in the slot, and this gets what it deserved, really. That looks close, and that is out. He got his wishes, not the first time, but the second time. It's been an excellent comeback. Went for 6 off the first ball. No, Chris, that's not where you want to bowl, big man. Last ball's hit out. They're going to push hard for 2. And again, very strong arm, and I think he's going to be thrown short. Yes, that fielder again. You don't take on that arm. And once again, Marumani short. There's confirmation. Out. And Cape Town, they finished the innings at 112 for 7.
Gerbaz got to 25 or 15. Wow was out, run out, and it was really not much to speak of there. Marumani in the end had a little cameo, 20 or fake. That got him to 112 per set. It was Andre Berger who started the innings, bowling his left arm quick, got off to a good start. Porfu was a little bit more expensive, and Jongwe, he was excellent with his back of the hand and his bag of tricks. For the Harare Hurricanes, they needed 113 to win in their 10 overs.
Mujib, he's opening the bowling for the Cape Town Samp. Cut away through the field, back with a square, and his first boundary, Evan Lewis. Quick cut. The angle from round the wicket, take it down the leg side. It's 2 and 2 for Evan Lewis. Wow, he's just timed that. Hasn't even looked to hit it, Robin Otapa. Oh, I tell you what, it's gone down leg and it's gone for 4, so that's 5 wide, and he'll have to bowl this again. Short. It's gone a long, long way. Oh, this time it's the thick outside edge. He's looked to go over long on. The glue, he's tall, he gets a bit of extra bounce. Evan Lewis trying to go leg side again. Thick outside edge, and that is a good catch. Pulled away. It's acres of space. Will it get into the boundary? It's a great effort, but won't stop it from getting into that boundary for 4. This one, he's gone a lot squarer, and he's got another boundary. So 2 and 2 for Otapa. He's going good. Cut away. That's going to go all the way for 6. Bit of width, a bit of extra bounce. It also brings up the 50. This one is hit hard and far. And another 6. This one is sliced away through the offside. It's good timing. Gets it past backward point. Much needed boundary. Oh, needed a wicket, got a wicket. Good aggression from the big quick. Plays all round that, does Pereira. Oh, again, 2 wickets in the over. 2 wickets in quick succession. That is exactly what Harare didn't want, what Cape Town needed. And this one goes big, goes aerial. Oh, and yes, this is it. Good effort in the deep. Oh, lucky. Will he get 4? I think he will. It races on the outfield out here. Does he get enough of it? Does he get enough of it? No. Picks out the fielder at deep mid-wicket. Gets the ball short of a length. Just doesn't get enough of it. Good catch in the deep. Very comfortable catch in the deep. Oh, and that is not a good base. Straight through him, Tommy Curran. Man of the moment. Set yourself for the slower ball. Didn't bounce. Set yourself for the slower ball. Run at him. Thundering shot through the offside. Wow. My word, was that a good shot? That just creamed off the middle of his bat. I think this is going to go to the man out in the deep, but cover taken. Kind of pushed the batsman wide, said, come and reach me. And that'll be it. Good job through for a single. And that is the end of the game. Cape Town Samp Army, they win by 15 runs. Tupper, he was out for 31. He made some runs. It's good to see him back in form. Lewis, straight off the plane. He lusty blows, got 16. But in the end, they